Guys, meron tayong bagong modelo, si Motor Bisikleta, only for 14,499. Napakamura lang, darling. Meron tayong keyless entry, remote, meron tayong ilaw, busina, meron tayong anti-theft function. Pag tinulak mo yan, mag-a-alarm yan at maglalak yung gulong. Amazing. Meron tayong twist throttle. Meron din tong dalawang mechanical disc brakes. Meron tayong full suspension. Ito yung sa harap, ito yung sa likod. 14 inches tubeless tires. 48 volts, 350 watts motor. Meron tayong removable battery na 48 volts, 6 Ah. Darling, 22 kilos lang to. Lightweight, beautiful machine. Meron tong pedal assist. Pag naubusan ka ng battery, pwede ka pumedal. Currently available at Motor, see to appreciate.